AmaSewula Afrika azokufumana ithuba lamakhetho esikhathini esingaphasi kwemveke ezilithumi kusukela nje. Ungqongqotjhe wezombusohlanganyela uDr Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma uthi uzokumemezela amakhetho womasipalata la ngokusemthethweni mhlamala ngama-20 kiyo lenyanga ukwenzela ukunikela ikomishini yamakhetho isikhathi. uDlamini-Zuma uhlathulule ukuthi kuba yini kube namajuguluko wathi batsho nokuye ekhotho yezomthethosisekelo kwe-IEC ngethemba lokuthi kuza kuba namajuguluko ngonobangela ngogwane ngimabhubhisa kube nomthelela. Uthi isiqundwesi basithethe ngemva kokubonisana ne-IEC.
After consultation with the IEC, we've come to the determination that this year's local government election will be held on the 1st of November 2021. This is in accordance with the Constitution, read with the Municipal Structures Act, as the Act prescribes that the election must be held within 90 days from the end of the 5-year term of local government. We will officially proclaim this date on the 20th September 2021 after the voters' roll registration weekend.
Kuzokuba ngeOkthoma emlandweni wenarha ukuthi amakhetho womasipalata abanjwe ngomvulo ngombana sele kuminyaka abanjwa ngabo lesithathu kodwana ungqongqotjhe ohlathulule ukuthi lokhu kwenziwa kobana isikhathi asisekho kodwana waqinisekisa ukuthi ilanga la ngomvulwelo lizokuthatha njenge-World Day.
That's why we had to go to the outer date, and unfortunately the outer date does not fall on a Wednesday, it falls on the Monday. In terms of it being declared a public holiday, of course, there'll be discussions with the Minister of Home Affairs and the President, as you say. So that process will take place.
Ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki ezifana ne-EFF zibaye ukuthi kugedliswe imithetho yokuqindeliswa kwamakhamba ukwenzela ukuthi inhlangano zikwazi ukuzibayola amakhetho kuhle ngombana ngaphasi kwesigaba sesithathu imibuthano ayikavunyelwa. Ungqongqotjhe uDlamini-Zuma uthi inhlangano zepolitiki zizokuvunyelwa ukuthi zizibayola amavoti kodwana kuzokuba nemithetho ekufuze ilandelwe.
Of course they'll campaign, though there may be some restrictions, obviously, because even when they have a meeting, there may be numbers that are allowed indoors and numbers that are allowed outdoors, the spacing, the masks. So, yes, they'll campaign, they can go door to door, but they have to keep to the protocols.
Nakusenjalo ungqongqotjhe akhe ngayiphendule indaba yokuthi iDA ithathele iIEC amagadango wekhotho ngokuthi iIEC ivule ngobutsha ihlelo lokuhlelisa bonkhethani ebese lelivaliwe.